Students, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from two IITians. Okay, so listen guys, we will discuss quadratic equation here. Before that, we have completed one chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. Okay, so what is in quadratic equation? In case of quadratic equation, there are two values of the variable which satisfies the equation. Okay, so now I will write here the equation having two roots is known as the quadratic equation. Okay, so an equation which having two roots is known as the quadratic equation. Now we will discuss the mind map of this equation. Okay, so first I have to check everything is in the visible area. Yes, everything is here in the visible area. Okay, now okay, so first we have to take standard form. What is the standard form of the quadratic equation is? The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not is equal to 0. A should not equal to 0. Okay guys, if a will become 0, that means coefficient of x square will become 0, then it will become a linear equation. This will not be quadratic equation if a will become 0. Okay, now we have to discuss discriminant. What is discriminant? Okay, discriminant is basically a term of quadratic equation which decide the nature of the roots of the equation. Okay, so see, here are three types of condition regarding with discriminant. Okay, if d is equal to 0, if discriminant becomes 0, then what will happen? If d is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If d greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Distinct means, okay, distinct means that means roots will be different. And one more condition is that if d less than 0, then roots are imaginary. Okay, so please note it down. Okay guys, so one question we have to solve on the basis of the nature of roots we have to solve. Okay, so x square plus 6x plus k is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and here k is unknown and we have to find the value of k. Okay, so as we know that for real and equal roots, d is equal to 0. Okay, d is equal to 0, it means discriminant becomes 0 for in case of real roots. What is d? That is equal to discriminant is b square minus 4ac, that is equal to 0. Okay, if you will compare this quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus k is equal to 0, so what is the value of a here? What is the coefficient of x square? Okay, so nothing is multiplying here, so we can suppose the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Okay, so a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to k. Okay, so on the basis of the given things, that means a b c, we will apply here. Okay, now what is the value of b? That is 6. Okay, so 6 square minus 4, and what is the value of a here? 1. Okay, so 4 into 1, and what is the value of c? Okay, so k is unknown here, k we have to find here, that is equal to 0. Okay, so this will be 36 minus 4k, that is equal to 0. So from here minus 4k equals to minus 36. Okay, so minus minus will cancel, and this k is equal to 36 upon 4. Okay, 36 upon 4 it will come, and we can solve this. This is 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja 36. Okay, so from here value of k you will get, k is equal to 9 you will get. Okay, so please note down this problem. Okay guys, so now on the same concept we will solve one more problem for real and equal roots. For the case of real and equal roots, we have to find the value of k here. The given equation is k plus 1 bracket x square minus 2 times of k minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so now guys here quadratic equation is k plus 1 x square minus 2 times of k minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the value of a? A is equal to k plus 1, b is equal to what? Minus 2 times of bracket k minus 1, and c is equal to what? 1. Okay, so for the case of real and equal roots, d is equal to 0. That means discriminant will equal to 0. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac, that is equal to 0. Okay, so here we will write all values. So this will be what? See, in place of b I will write bracket minus 2 times of bracket k minus 1. Okay, so this will be minus 2 times of k minus 1 whole square minus, and this will be what? 4 into k plus 1 into 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, so this will be what? When we will solve this, so this will be 4 times of k minus 1 whole square minus 4 times k plus 1 equals to 0. 4 we can take as a common factor, so 4 we will take common, so 4, and this will be what? K minus 1 whole square minus 4 minus bracket k plus 1 equals to 0, and this will be what? This will be what? Okay, now we have to simplify here. Okay, now listen guys, visible area is over here, so we will solve. Okay, so I have to remove this, after that we will solve the problem. Okay guys, so here we have to simplify here. Okay, so 4 is the multiplying factor of this. 4 into k minus 1 whole square minus into k plus 1. Okay, so this you can write as k minus 1 whole square, and when you will multiply minus sign inside, so this will be minus k minus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, so 4 will be in the 4 will divide 0, so it will become 0. Okay, so now we have to simplify this. So k minus 1 whole square, when you will open this, so this will be k square plus 1 square minus 2k minus k minus 1, that is equal to 0. So this you can write as k square plus 1 minus 2k minus k. This you will write minus 3k minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so 1 minus 1, that will be cancelled, and k square minus 3k is equal to 0. So when you will simplify this, so this will be what? K into bracket k minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so two cases will be here. K is equal to 0 or k minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so k is equal to 3. Okay, so whether k is equal to 0 or k minus 3 is equal to 0 or both may be 0, then it will be equal to 0. Okay, so for k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 3, this see, the value of the k will be k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 3. Okay, so k is equal to 0 or 3. Okay, this is your answer.